Back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on watch history on TikTok. Now let's get started. First, open your TikTok apps, and after this, in here you just click on the profile icon at the bottom, and then in here you just click on the three lights icon at the top. Click on it. Then in here you just click on the setting and privacy, and then in here you just click on the watch history. Click on it, and then in here you can click on the turn on and finish. So that's how to turn on watch history on TikTok apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoyed the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.